Yep.
Myself Swati Shukla, I have 3.5 years experience from
Okay.
I am Rohit Bhatia, 4 years in Dot.
Okay.
I am P.C. Arora and I have 7 years experience in Dot.
Okay. So the guys who is more than 5 years of experience, very, very crucial and very, you should be know about the Scrum and all these things. And you all guys, actually what is the Scrum? A Scrum is a framework to follow Agile methodologies. And Agile, you know, Agile is a methodology which do not follow the waterfall. I think so everyone know about the waterfall model. Waterfall model, you know, you three guys, because these all guys are knows about the Agile and waterfall model of the process. Software engineering. Have you ever read about the software engineering in your college time? Just go behind the 4 years back and think about waterfall model. There was even the work right now, whatever we are doing. I don't know how the Verifone is managing the work culture. They are following the waterfall model or a sprint model.
So we are delivering on the very frequent basis. So we are more or less on the Agile.
So more as the mix hybrid culture. Nowadays, so many companies is following the hybrid culture because they are following their giving the release as a frequent basis and thinking they are doing the Agile. But it's apart from the still they are doing the waterfall model. So waterfall model means the requirement has been done. You have taken the requirement from the client. One of the guys on the client side, they have given the requirement. Our guys has been taken the requirement, all requirement he has in his mind. Then he come to the our offshore team and he given some of the scopes like, oh, we need to create like quadrilateral. Now whatever will developer team learn, so we thought, oh, it's like type of triangle we need to give to the clients. So after 6 months, client got a triangle, but client given the requirement is like a diamond shape. So the requirement differences is more. That's why something it should become like a new process came in the picture, and that the what the client needs, what the time needs, it should be come into the picture, and that's the Agile methodology. Agile methodology is very much famous in the competitive market, like e-commerce side. As I remember when the 2001, I think so many guys were in college and whatever, but I was fighting for the job and all these things. 2001, when the recession came, suddenly all internet market goes down because no one was interested in the e-commerce. Even not in India, even in America, USA. No one was knows how to do the e-commerce site and how to do the online marketing, how to trust on the online marketing. So just go down. And the tough time was. So suddenly the methodology should become like, whatever the tough time should come, our product should be changed on based upon that one. So Agile methodology, we will come to that across and see that how we can change our requirement, product backlog according to market. That is a Scrum. Oh, so I was somewhere else. Okay, so who am I? So most of guys knows me. My name is Prabhat. Having 12, yes, him. You come please this side. Might be my voice is not able to go on up to that level. Yes, you can come here or there. So Suvas is also coming. So I mean, so many like this Odyssey knows me well about. I am Prabhat, having 12 years of experience. I joined only 1 month. Oh, I hope it's 1 month. 1 month before here. I'm certified in Agile, PMI ACP, CSM and CSP. CSM and CSP from the Scrum Alliance and PMI ACP is from the PMI, the same center which is the PMP support. So very much knowledge about the Agile and Scrum methodology and XP and Kanban, and having the experience to set up all the Scrum's process in a company. Last company I was in Monster Technology in Malaysia, so I was almost did same type of work there. So we will see. Now, what is the agenda today? I mean, today is a crucial day because we will pass 4 to 5 hours together. One of would be the Agile Manifesto. What is Agile? Values and principle, a Scrum framework, product backlog grooming, estimation, release planning, team distributed Scrum. Nowadays, team distributed Scrum means Like some of the team is here and another team, some of the team member is in USA. So how you will manage the Agile on that process? Because Agile says or a Scrum says it should be co-located. Means whatever the team should be here, a Scrum is very fine. But nowadays the changes has been done. Like so many guys, offshore, onshore culture is there. Many people in offshore and many people in onshore. So you have to think how to think. We will see together. A Scrum role, a sprint planning, what is the Scrum role, how to do the sprint planning, a sprint execution, definition of done, review plus retrospective, some simulator, no. Questions and answer, Q&A, that's all. No certification. I will let you know that how to do the certified in the Scrum if you are interested. But anyway, I will come on that. Okay. So this is especially this is for those when we have the 8 hour time, because we need to create to do some activity, but we can't do the activity right now in 4 hours. 4 hours theoretically you continue and you are about to learn, and so it will take some time. Next time we will plan on after 2 or 3 months. Okay. Agile manifesto. Before that, you are Animation.
I am Isha.
Okay, sorry. How much experience do you have?
In Agile.
No.
Oh, as of, like it's 5 almost.
5 almost. Anybody knows about the Agile? 2, 3, 4. Because I know this guys. Do you have any experience of Agile or Scrum? No. Heard about the Agile or Scrum? No.
Yeah, I'm currently working on Agile. Like,
You are in G4S?
Yes.
Okay. So perhaps 3 or 4 guys supposed to come from G4S.
I don't know.
As per Prerna. I don't know. Anyway. So how they are managing? They are doing the stand-up meeting and all these things.
Yeah, they are continuously
Okay.
doing
So you might be
But
compare
I
these
have
things.
very, very less exposure to that. So that is why I am attending.
Okay, fine. So, Agile Manifesto. Agile Manifesto is, everybody remember these things? Individual and interactions over process and tool. Working software over comprehensive documentation, customer collaboration over contract negotiation, responding to change over following a plan. So, only a few minutes I will invest here. Individual and interactions means over process and tool. In the waterfall model, we have so many processes, right? Have you seen like so many processes like create the RFP, create the LLD, low level document? Yes. You guys know the low level document and all these things. But Agile don't say that you have to go up to that deep level to create a low level document. Because low level document means you are creating the project learn and serve before 6 months before with the documentation. According to Agile, better to individual and interactions. If Sally is our customer, so better to we can do our interactions with more frequent than in documents and process. Working software over comprehensive documentation. Again, you have the bunch of the LLD, HLD that once you will go to the LLD. I remember that those days like 7-8 years before when I created one LLD when I was in SCL, and I said that is the bunch of this much. And when I pull out that, oh, this is the screen form, this is this one, and the other functionality would be like this. But nowadays, that is a theoretical on that time. Nowadays, do not need to any theory for the client. Client wants something because he is giving money. So he wants something should be in the very expressive mode, can say like the working software. So whatever you are creating, that should be visible. It should not be visible after 6 months. It should be visible bi-weekly, forth-weekly, whatever. Customer collaboration over contract negotiation. Till now in the waterfall model. Till now, whatever we are doing, we are negotiating our contract. Oh, we have the timing, so we will do this. Okay, we will take some money, we will take something. So better to do customer collaboration. Make the customer in a one platform that it's our developer, customer is there. How we will do, how we are doing, you should know about these things and it will help them together. Responding to change over following a plan. In the waterfall model, we are following a plan. We have the LLD, low level document, and we are following that. Okay, so student information contact form has been done. Now the whatever the registration form is done and whatever it need to do. So we are following that. Better to welcome the changes. Suppose, if you remember in the time of the e-commerce, why I am taking the example of e-commerce? Because e-commerce is such a market which grows suddenly in India and it have a lot of changes. If you remember the earlier Flipkart site, nowadays Flipkart site or Amazon.in site, it just changes a lot as per the market perspective. So responding to change, if they do not want to respond to change as per the competitive market, the client, customer or the site would want to survive more. So better to do the responding exchange over following a plan. This means we are not saying that we are not going to do process and tool, we are not going to do comprehensive documents. Yeah, we are doing some level of things. But over that, this part is more better in a sense. Okay, nice, fine. This is the manifesto of Agile. If you want to go more, a study you can just search in the Wikipedia Agile Manifesto. So, what is Agile? Agile, I just told you before that Agile is a process or a methodology, can say like, where we can change our requirement as per the time frame, as we have to do the job, as per the client requirement and client collaborations with the very frequent of the communications. Whatever the requirement come, whatever the changes come, we are okay to do, yes, we will do. So that is Agile. XP, a Scrum, Kanban is a framework. You are able to see up to date level. And TDD, refactoring, BDD, a story points, user stories, pairing, ATD. TDD, test driven development. You ever know about the TDD, test driven development? Have you ever get a chance to do the job on TDD? Anyone? You have? Manish. What is TDD?
In the case of TDD, we first of all write the test cases according to the business requirement, the test cases fail, then we start writing the code and we try to pass the test.
Yes. So, I mean, when I'm stopping into TDD, now the market as per the Scrum market is up or Agile market is up. TDD is the main part that the clients or requirement of the market is up. Like TDD means test driven development. Yes. Means, suppose you are creating add method of a student information. Suppose this is a something text box, something, and here is a save. Save means add. You are doing the add. Suppose first thing. So add method. What you will generally do if you are following 3-layer architecture or MVC. MVC and 3-layer is almost only the way of the writing and the processing is the different, only almost they are same. Or in MVC, so what you will go? You will come into the controller, write some logic, or you will come into the database logic, database database layer, and you will write the add functionality. Your main methodology is that create the function. But something happened to the testing timing or development UAT time, means development testing time. Development testing time is the developer who is doing the testing, not the tester like Asutosh, where are you? Yes. So, not that Asutosh is testing on the QA time, no. Development time means what you will do, might be get some problem on here. So, the creating the methodology, creating the code, this technique is now different. You have to create first test method of this add. So, all are almost .NET. This is the solution explorer, and suppose your application name is test or something, a student tab. So you will create one project, a student, another project, test a student. This test a student will have all test method of this student project. Okay. So if you are creating add functionality of this one, means add should be come here. First you will test add method. How you will test? How you will test before creating the functionality? Means you have to create a student. There is might be some database layer. There is a save method, a student save class. So you have create the object of that class, calling that method from the main, from the here. You are not creating the new method here. You are just calling the method from the student project. And once you will call that method, try to save, passing the parameter, whatever you are saving, these all things. And it will give the value of that particular student info from here to here. If it's first time when you are writing the test of such a method which don't have any physical appearance of your applications. Like you created the test method, but the student don't have any add method or any save method. That would be fail. That is the true part of TDD. Means you are writing the TDD is fine. Once it fail, you write the method here in a student and do the functionality of it. Same way you can do all these things, but still so many companies is not following because it's a time consuming. But believe me, if you are following, means another part of the QA testing part will be the very fine. Almost your 80% code coverage will come here. Nowadays, whatever you are creating a code might be possibilities. They are not covering all applications. But once you are creating a code as the based upon TDD, it will be very fine. Refactoring you know, and pairing BDD no need to do. A story points, usual story will come, pairing and it will come.
Can you explain BDD?
BDD is that also driven development, back driven development.
Business
Business driven development, we don't have any idea. No need of that, especially in there.
And what is ATDD?
ATD is also test driven development, but forget it. But pairing usual story and story point will come. It's not related to the Scrum specific. So we have two type of process model, either defined or empirical. Define is that what we are doing here. Requirement, design, code and test. How the waterfall model is processing. Requirement, design, code and test. Like you are making something, the same process, whatever the requirement. Your design, code and test. That is the defined process, whatever we are doing like in waterfall model. But what we are doing in Agile, it would be like empirical. Empirical means first, act, plan, do, check. The thing is done correct or not. So act means you start acting of those things. Like whatever you want to do, just start act. Plan. How to do that things? How to do that small things? Sorry. How to do that small things? That is the plan. Do. Start doing that things. You have plan. You have act all these things. How to do that? You just start. Check. You have done the things, and now the time to check that. Whatever you have done, it's fine or not. That is the check. So this is a small process come as a cycle variation all over your Scrum process, and that is a Scrum following empirical. Above one is the defined is the process what the waterfall model is process using. Okay. So what happens? The things comes into the picture like where the Agile comes or where the Scrum is beneficial. We don't know how we are using the Scrum and all these things. So where it will come in picture? First of all, if you will see this, on left side there is a requirement in vertical. Horizontal there is a technology. This one is unknown, another is unknown. Means what is the client requirement nowadays? Think about the client requirement. Or suppose you are a client. You want to create something, you want to do something as per market, like maybe take the example of the e-commerce, but you don't know what will happen to the tomorrow in e-commerce, or any other ideas you want to take into the picture of that ideas. How you will follow? You have some known ideas, that is a part of the known, here and here. But most of that is unknown. Most of that, the technology is unknown. Requirement is unknown. So first of all, requirement is unknown. Whatever you want to do, you want to create, your requirement is unknown. You don't know that what will happen after 1 year or how to do requirement, because your requirement is changing. My day, I remember that in the initial of that Flipkart, there was no any cash on delivery. Nowadays, cash on delivery is a very frequent way. Every e-commerce site is having the COD. So that is as per the market requirement. They are changing now. Even 2 years before Flipkart has started to the one-day delivery program. That is also, they don't know. We don't know what will happen to after the next 1 day or after the next year. Technology, the same way technology is growing. Since you are in the Microsoft technology, we are one of the main, how can I say, like main persons who knows that how the technology is changing. We can't imagine that how Microsoft is changing, and the technology means Microsoft changing its technology is a lot like. Some more guys is coming. You can come here also, no problem. So you guys from where? Okay. Your introduction, your name please,
My name is Suraj.
and having experience?
5 years.
5 years.
My name is Ramesh Sharma and I am
Oh,